Good day, sir. I'm doing the midterm laboratory activity 2, which is demonstrate the use of Java Swing. Sir, this is the sample JFrame, JLabel, JText, JButton components, so name, email, phone, and the country of the users. So I will run my project. So here is the registration form, which is all input data. Name, username, confirm password. Here's the email. And the phone number, address, the zip code, the country, select USA, then submit. When I click, there is the output, sir. Which is action listener, list triggered. I click, sir, and I click OK, sir. Then I click reset and close. That's it, sir. Thank you po.